So I have one of these little ultrasonic cleaners. I got this a while ago. This is a smaller, cheaper version. I know a lot of the guys in the gun community, they've used these for many years for cleaning brass, for doing reloads. I don't do that, but I was very interested in trying one of these out once I got into the metal detecting again. I haven't gone metal detecting in a while, so I haven't had anything to clean since I got this. However, since recently you guys saw that I got the silver, I'm gonna try to clean a bunch of these quarters. All right, so I just grabbed a random handful, kind of picked out some of the more dirty ones. I do have the two that are in here that were the dirtiest. I can find the other one, I guess maybe that's it. I don't know, this one's pretty dirty. And I guess this one. So these are the two that I think be able to tell the most as far as like before and after. These are pretty raunchy. So basically, I'm gonna pop these in here. Again, first time using this, you just fill it up with water. Cap looks like one of those little cook pot things. There is a rack in here if you want to use this for jewelry or something. It suspends pieces up so it's not, you know, sitting on one side, so it can clean all around. And there's a simple basket. Put everything in the basket. You fill this up with water to this water line or fill line. And you can do it with just the water. What's cool about this one is this heats as well as has the ultrasonic, you know, vibrations. So you're basically vibrating the dirt off, but the ones that heat up, it kind of, you know, makes that process a little bit faster. There's a bunch of different settings in this one, so I'm gonna play around with it, see how it works out. But like I said, you could do this with just plain water, but a lot of people use like a drop of Dawn dish detergent. If you have something that's super greasy, I guess you can use a degreaser. I mean, there's more information online. I'm not an expert by any means with this kind of stuff, but I'm gonna play around with this and see if you can actually get these quarters nice and clean. All right, so this is the before. I mean, they're just average circulated coins. Like I said, I have the two extra dirty ones, but none of them are like really far gone or anything. But I'm gonna see how shiny we can get them with the ultrasonic cleaner. So we will see. All right, so this thing's going. You can see the countdown here, seconds. But clearly it is very loud. So it's not actually the metal vibrating on the surface here. So I can lift it up, moving around. It's probably the inner, you know, container rattling against the actual machine, but it's really loud, just saying. So when I'm all done, might do a couple cycles, but when we're all done, I'll show you the results. All right, so that was like 300 seconds or so, and I just took a quick little peek, and it doesn't really look like anything happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in for, I think, the 30-minute mark. All right, so these buttons, by the way, I don't have to actually push hard. They're almost like, you know, touchscreen. So let's see, time. These are all second intervals and then minutes. So 18 minutes, 21, 24, 27, 30. All right, so 30 minutes. Man, that is brutal, the noise. I mean, and I was playing with the lid before, and the lid got to a point where, I don't know, it just reminds me of being at the dentist getting something drilled. So you have to kind of like put this in a room and leave the room, shut the door. It's really loud and obnoxious. So for the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna go hang outside. But we'll see what it looks like then. All right, it's been a half an hour. It's finally quiet in here again. Holy smokes, that thing is loud. So, well, I can't really tell. They look about the same. I mean, it doesn't look like significant. It's hard with one hand here. I'm gonna have to take these out, dry them up, and we'll look at them closer. But yeah, I mean, it's not like they don't look brand new or anything. I don't know how many cycles is common. I don't know the difference between using different detergents or cleaners. I have to experiment, play around with this, but we'll see. I'm gonna fish out those two super dirty ones and see how they look. All right, guys, so I pulled everything out. I dried it off, cleaned the machine up and everything, let these coins dry. In looking at them, I set the dirtiest ones on the bottom here. We took a look at these first. I really should have done some pictures, before and after pictures. I can tell they're cleaner, and like overall, the pile here looks cleaner, but I mean, it's not magic. It's not just all of a sudden you're gonna pop these in there for a couple minutes and then you know, it looks like brand new coins.